Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up your location on eBay. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically now we are just going to follow this article here on Nimble. And basically it will show us exactly how to change the default item location. And simply you will be needing just to go to your account settings and from there we can change the addresses. So let's do that. So we can go to the username or your name from here, and basically you would find like the account settings. By clicking on account settings, we would find many other settings that we can choose from or the menus. So you have payment information, account preferences, personal information, and stuff. So basically we are interested to go to addresses. So here we'd find it in the personal info. We click on addresses, and from there we will be able to choose addresses. So as you can see here, we would find like a many type of addresses. There is the registration address, email and phone number. There is shipping address, ship from address, etc. So we will like just to make a required change in the address information. So basically you'd find like item location that will be added in case you are selling, and also like if you go for example to your seller account or seller dashboard, you'd be able to find some selling information or selling preferences, and from there you can also find like some settings concerning your preferences. So let's just go to selling, and basically we'd want to go to settings or, and you can start like change the setup for your store. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.